Hello friends! So how do I come up with topics for my video? I constantly think about if I had to learn investing all over again, how would I like to learn? So if I had a mentor, a friend who is transparent, shows real results without hiding behind a paywall, it would be my dream. So I try to be that guy. It's been 4 months since I done my last portfolio video. I wasn't comfortable showing you previously. I'm still not, but what the heck, I've done it many times. So I created a playlist of my portfolio videos to show you the journey. I post my trades here and on Twitter, and so far 100% of my trades are in profit when I close my position. Luck plays a part, but fundamentals plays a bigger part. So in this video, I also share my thoughts on other potential stocks and my mindset behind the portfolio. 4 months ago, my portfolio was worth $4.5 million. The market has been sideways, but I'm still up $298,934. It's not a lot considering the size of my portfolio. Those who are new, there will be long periods your portfolio can be red or sideways. The trick is to keep invested because nobody can time the market. So time in market over timing the market. I'll cover Tesla first since it's my biggest holdings, highest conviction stock. I can't find another company growing faster and adding so much value to the world. So if you can find a better one, please tell me. I'm always open to ideas. Other than adding stocks, I've been doing options, sharing openly with you here and on Twitter, and been updating you for over half a year on my options. So this is my results. My do not touch account, Tesla stock options have returns of 11% in 6 months despite stock dropping. Tesla stock options in my itchy fingers portfolio perform better at 22% returns in 6 months despite the stock dropping. Returns are calculated like how any returns is calculated, returns over risk. So 22% in half a year is no joke to the experienced investors. So let's go into more details. These are all my transactions for the last 6 months on Tesla stock in my do not touch portfolio. -1 means receiving $60.45 times 100 equals to $6,045 per contract sold. A month later, like how I explained in my options video, on expiry I close my contract and sell again. Sometimes I will get a sign, so I sell away the stocks to neutralize the position, rings and repeat. It's so easy my donkey can help me click the buttons. Overall, results as of this video, despite this drop in Tesla stock, my profits is $8,800. The risk taken is my strike price of $740, means 11% returns in 6 months. If Tesla maintains sideways for the rest of the year, I see returns of 20% minimally. The results of my itchy fingers portfolio is much better at 22% because I took a more active stance of managing my options. The same thing, I sold puts, close them on expiry and repeat. If assigned, sell the stock to neutralize the position and repeat. Sometimes puts expire worthless, and if the stock drop too much, I leverage a little. So normally I don't do it, but for the sake of this video, I took the time to calculate percentage returns. It's $68,600 profit. The risk taken is the total strikes, which is $310,000. And it's 22% in half a year. It's not bad. Adding to my profits, last Friday I locked in extra $15,000 from closing my call options. I'm bullish Tesla stock, so why did I close my call position? Have you guys ever experienced this? I sacrificed my profit so you could profit. I got a feeling after I take profit, the stock is going to shoot to the moon. So the question is, can I retire comfortably with $300,000? Yes, I share my strategies openly because my goal is to help as many of you as I can before I die. Income gap is not a problem, but it's knowledge gap. So just be careful. I see a lot of people teaching what I do. I've been teaching selling puts on YouTube before it was a trend. All I can say is experience is important. Else everyone is a genius in a bull market. So for the rest of my stocks, it takes up a very, very small percentage. Coinbase is like 1.6%. I covered Coinbase on my channel. I'll link it below. Palantir at 1.2%. I covered long ago. I've been selling puts and profiting for months since the stock sideways. It's stupid ROI at 32%. Here are all my transactions. You calculate yourself. I may choose to increase my position as time goes by. PSTH making up 0.2% was unfortunate. I did my homework, calculated like a true value investor. I did a video on that. I didn't buy the hype. I only bought way later after all the details were released to the public, but regulators had issues and the deal went south. Right now, the stock is holding at $20 because if liquidated, that's the net value. The worst case is not zero. Bill Ackman has till mid-2022 to find another deal. I'll wait for the next pump. On SoFi, I did my DD on SoFi months ago. I bought it here, announced it. I sold it here, announced it. Bought it back in again, announced it. 0.2% allocation. I'm still comfortable with the business, may increase allocation if the stocks drop too much. For my crypto portfolio, I did a video 6 weeks ago. My portfolio has since doubled. Crypto is nuts. I will link the last video if you missed it down below. Back to stocks. I was looking at Proterra and Teladoc. Just some quick thoughts. I need to see a break in downtrend for both the stocks before even thinking about starting a position. I'd rather buy a little higher than catch a falling knife. I think Teladoc is the second biggest holdings in ARK Invest, and it doesn't mean I'll follow blindly. Wrapping up this video, by sharing openly, I hope to achieve two things. Number one is I hope it helps you connect the dots in your head and kind of like find your way in investing and ultimately have a better life. Number two, I hope I set the minimum standard, especially for educators charging a fee, because there's so many of them. Being transparent with the entire portfolio over a long period of time and walking their talk, and that's the minimum standard. So I hope you learned something. Appreciate a thumbs up, and as always, invest safe.